Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up and manage inventory in Shopify. So open your app and click the products option and go to the inventory icon. Okay, we have our product detail list here. So if we have like 4 or 5 watches available, so we can add that we are 4 watches remaining. Okay, click on take. Okay, and click add. You also add SKU or barcode here. Okay, and availability like remaining items. Okay, you can manage your inventory from here. Okay, like I have these 2 shoes available in my list. Okay, if your remaining item becomes 0, so go to the product and add it to 0. Okay, so from here you can manage your inventory. So hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take care.